Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm sharing 4 cozy and creative DIY fall home decor ideas that are super easy and so much fun to make. If you love fall and crafting, then this video is for you. Let's get started. My first DIY is a quick transformation of this very popular rattan pumpkin from HomeGoods. It's so cute, but the color needed a little fall flair. I chose a warm matte spray paint in the color called Down to Earth, which I felt was perfect for autumn.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
And with little effort, this now looks more the color I was looking for. Next up, I'm making a clay leaf. I started by softening my clay and rolled it out flat. Then I used the only leaf template I had around the house, which was the exact size that I had in mind. I traced the leaf the best that I could, but I was also okay with any imperfections just to give it a more organic look.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day. And then I'm on my way, yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. Naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way.
I followed the directions on the package that said to bake it for 15 minutes, and once that was cooled down, I got out some of my fall paint colors that I had on hand. My leaf cracked just a little bit in one area, that's what I was showing you there, but I was actually okay with that. At first I kind of wanted to start all over again, but again, I was embracing those imperfections, so I'm just using some of these brown colors as the base for the main color. I applied all of those together. First, I just mixed the 3 of them and then went ahead and started to paint the whole entire leaf. Once that dried very, very little, I didn't wait for it to dry completely. I then went ahead and added some green to the center of it, while also using a wet paper towel and then just damp those colors off. And then again, just focusing now on the outside of the leaf, and I just applied more of a dark brown color so that it would give a look of kind of like a crisp leaf, like a fading look. Once this has dried, this is actually the very next day. I wanted to show you what it looked like once all of the paint has dried. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. My third DIY is a fun twist on traditional candle making. I started with choosing out 2 fall-inspired vessels. These are very inexpensive and you can get them from Hobby Lobby. The sand wax I chose is from Amazon, and I went with a brown color to give it more contrast.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. Got an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
And lastly, I'm making a gorgeous nature-inspired photo frame using real dried leaves. I started off by picking out some leaves from my front yard. This is such a beautiful way to bring nature indoors. Once I had as many leaves as I needed, which I didn't actually really need this many, but I wanted to have choices, I went ahead and used 2 frames that I got from Goodwill last year.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh. rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
I really didn't have like a specific pattern I was looking for, so I just played around with the positioning of these leaves, and once I had the desired look that I thought I wanted, I went ahead and placed the glass on top. So for my first frame, I knew that I wanted a different number on each one, so I went ahead and put 3 leaves on this one, and then on my second one I used 2 leaves. I thought maybe I would just do 2 leaves on one and then 1 leaf on the other, but I felt like the size of the picture frame was a little bit too big for only having 1 leaf. So if anything, I can always go ahead and still play around with it, which I think I still might, because in the end I felt like the leaves were a little too high. I want to bring them down a little bit. That leaf that I just took off, I felt like the stem was too straight. So then I replaced it with this one that had just a little bit more of a curve at the end. And this is how they look. I think they look absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with the way that they turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please stay tuned if you want to see how I style and decorate these items in our home. Hope you guys have a beautiful day.